100 years of establishment of Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR, National Institute of Secondary Agriculture, NISA. ICAR-NISA was established in 1924 as Indian Institute of Natural Resins and Gums in Ranchi, Jharkhand. It was renamed in 2022 as ICAR-NISA and comes under Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare. PM Mega Integrated Textile Regions and Apparel, PM Mitra, Park inaugurated in Maharashtra. About PM Mitra Park scheme notified by the Ministry of Textiles in 2021. It is inspired by the 5F Vision I, Farm to Fiber to Factory to Fashion to Foreign. Mitra Parks can be either greenfield or brownfield. Other initiatives taken for textiles industry scheme for capacity building in textile sector, Samarth, addresses the skilled manpower requirement across textile sector. Amended Technology Upgradation Fund Scheme, ATUFS, provides credit-linked capital investment subsidy, CIS, to units for purchase of benchmarked machinery in different segment of textile sectors. India has marked a significant milestone in its cybersecurity efforts by achieving top-tier Tier 1 status in the Global Cybersecurity Index, GCI, 2024. It is published by the International Telecommunication Union, ITU. The report places 46 countries in Tier 1, the highest of the 5 tiers, reserved for role modeling countries that demonstrate a strong commitment in all 5 cybersecurity pillars. The Supreme Court, SC, recently said that advocates on record, AOR, in a given case must mark the appearance of only those lawyers who are authorized to appear and argue that case on the particular day. The Union Ministry of Home Affairs, MHA, has decided to expand the Special Fast Track Immigration Trusted Traveller Program, FTITTP, to 20 other airports across the country. NASA is set to launch the Europa Clipper mission, aiming to explore Jupiter's icy moon, Europa. The sharp rise in ammonium nitrate and imports from Russia has raised concerns for India's domestic fertilizer industry, which faces competition from cheaper imports. Indian fertilizer companies are investing over 4,000 crore rupees to boost AN capacity, vital for mining coal, iron ore, and limestone. Ammonium nitrate and ammonium nitrate, NHNO, is the nitrate salt of the ammonium ion, consisting of ammonia and nitric acid. It is a white crystalline solid highly soluble in water. Upcoming 4 major sessions: Convention on Biological Diversity, CBD COP16. CBD COP16 will be held in Cali, Colombia. The key objective is to assess how countries are advancing towards the 2022 Montreal Commitment to protect 30% of the planet's land and marine areas by 2030. UN Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC COP29. UNFCCC COP29 will be held in Baku, Azerbaijan. It aims to finalize agreements on climate finance and improve the quality and scope of financial support. United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, UNCCD COP16. UNCCD COP16 will be held in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Discussions will aim to restore 1.5 billion hectares of land by 2030 and manage ongoing droughts affecting various regions. Plastic Pollution Treaty Negotiations, it will be held in South Korea. The final session of negotiations will focus on creating a global treaty to address plastic pollution. This treaty aims to tackle plastic waste across environments, including oceans, rivers, and land. Criticality means that a reactor is controlling a sustained fission chain reaction, where each fission event releases a sufficient number of neutrons to maintain an ongoing series of reactions. Tata Steel Limited recently said it had commissioned India's largest blast furnace at Kalinganagar, Odisha, as part of the Phase 2 expansion of its plant. Pig iron is an intermediate product and first product of iron making reduced from iron ore. Pig iron has a very high carbon content, typically 3.5–4.5%, along with silica, manganese, sulfur, phosphorus, titanium and other trace elements. It is obtained directly from the blast furnace and cast in molds. What is coke? It is the solid residue remaining after certain types of bituminous coals are heated to a high temperature out of contact with air until substantially all of the volatile constituents have been driven off. The residue is chiefly carbon, with minor amounts of hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, and oxygen. Also present in coke is the mineral matter in the original coal, chemically altered and decomposed during the coking process. Recently, the 11th National Level Exhibition and Project Competition, NLEPC, of Inspire Manak Winners Felicitation Ceremony was held in New Delhi. The Inspire Manak, Million Minds Augmenting National Aspiration and Knowledge, is one of the flagship schemes of the Department of Science and Technology, DST, Government of India. It is for nurturing ideas and innovations of school students and motivates them to pursue science and a career in research. It is jointly implemented by DST and the National Innovation Foundation, NIF, India. It aims to motivate students in the age group of 10 to 15 years and studying in classes 6 to 10 to become future innovators and critical thinkers. The impact of Starlink satellites on radio astronomy. Starlink, a satellite internet constellation operated by SpaceX, currently has over 6,300 active satellites orbiting Earth at an altitude of approximately 550 kilometers. While these satellites are instrumental in delivering high-speed internet to remote areas, they are also a source of unintended electromagnetic radiation, UMR, commonly referred to as radio noise. This interference poses significant challenges to radio astronomers as it disrupts their ability to observe celestial objects from Earth. The 4th Quad Summit will be held on 21st September 2024 in Wilmington, Delaware, marking continued evolution since the first in-person summit in 2021.